Welcome to our Change Tracking in Business Central demo. Tracking changes in your business data is essential for maintaining control and transparency. With the Change Tracking feature, you can easily monitor every update made to your system, ensuring accountability at every step. In this example, we will increase the credit limit for a Datum Corporation from $100,000 to $200,000. We will also change the salesperson from Helena to Lena. Now let's imagine a scenario where a sales manager needs to review changes made to this customer to ensure the most up-to-date information is available. They can easily do this by clicking the Changes button. Thanks to Change Tracking, they can now see the change on credit limit from $100,000 to $200,000. Change Tracking also works on sales orders. As sales orders go through multiple revisions, accuracy and accountability are vital. In this scenario, we have received approval to give our customer a lower price on the whiteboard basis. Let's go ahead and do that now. Just like when we made a change to the credit limit, clicking the Changes button will show the details of the changes we just made. Notice the price change, along with the extended price for the full quantity and the calculated change in sales tax. What happens if an order is already shipped and invoiced? In Business Central, the order is archived. However, you can easily look at the posted invoice to see changes by clicking Posted Sales Invoices. This is the invoice created from the sales shipment. An invoice cannot be edited, but if we click Related Changes, we can see the original changes for the related sales order. As you can see, the price change on the sales order is visible on the related changes of the invoice, ensuring that any discrepancies are addressed quickly and with accurate records, avoiding unnecessary delays or confusion. Interested in learning more? Speak with one of our experts to explore how Dynamics 365 Business Central can simplify your operations and give you greater control over your data.